Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I welcome you to our weekly Renko forecast. Now, for this week we have some interesting things to look for. Okay, now I would like to start with USDCAD. You see here USDCAD is on a big wedge. Ideally, what I would like is to get a setup according, of course, to our rules, and you already know what we call a textbook setup and entry for me to go long. Now, we have already identified support and resistance levels from our top-down approach that we do every Monday. But actually, I want to go long. Of course, this is the area I will need to create my win-win scenario. But I want to go long because I already have a reaction. Continuously higher lows. Price is on a very powerful combined resistance area. Now, I would like to go long for my win-win scenario till this area, but actually, I will be going for this area, that far away. So I will be going within this area for my win-win scenario for 260 pips, but actually I will be going for 1,700 plus, because you can see here from this reaction price has been going short all the way down, and exactly the opposite happened when price reached this area and went all the way up. That's why I would like to keep a very close eye on USDCAD. We will check all these pairs that we will discuss today on our daily live trading room. And I continue with Australian dollar, US dollar. Again, you can see we have already a really nice combination. And after price has already reacted here, we see that price has started with this big spike moving back down again. Of course, if someone wants to go short, price would have to break this support area and then go short for 290 pips. All these pairs that I'm talking about, of course, we will have them in our watch list. Some of them will look good, some of them will maybe go the other way. We never try to guess. We have our system and we stick to that. You see, on CADCHF we were discussing on both directions. We always prefer going with the main trend, but we always explore the what if scenario. And here you can see I had a big retracement and price started to go back up again, but in the bigger picture I have a big range. So what if price starts moving lower? No problem with me. All I need, since I already see here that price has started after the reaction moving back down again, adjust the Renko, and the only thing missing is for the price to do what I want it to do. So I know what I'm waiting for, and that is what I will wait for. And we will be going for at least 290 pips. So I think it's worth my time for CADCHF to go short. EURCHF, we already have the reaction, we have our trend line break, we have all our crossovers, and once more, everything is decided on lower settings. This is also a very powerful, nice retracement, and not only that, I have also some spikes. In this case, we like spikes. Now, many people will be confused on this area here because price has already broken all our EMA. So many of you are asking, but why not go short? Higher settings are the boss. So what I will be looking for here is on M48, my 2 to 3 line to break, and then I can switch to lower settings to find an opportunity, not earlier. Besides, you can see I'm already somewhere in between, somewhere in the middle of this zone. So if you remember, we always prefer to trade at the profit zone. Something nice that is happening on GBP New Zealand dollar is this. We already have a reaction. On lower settings, we have continuously higher lows and a huge wedge here that is over. Price has already retraced. I have my higher lows like I said, and what I'm looking for actually is of course a lower setting setup above this area. So combining higher settings, lower settings would be perfect for us to take the trade according to our rules. And not only that, you will see that first of all I have plenty of room to create my win-win scenario, talking about 200 pips, but then I will go for 400 pips more. So overall I will be going with maybe 50 pips of an APO for 610 times or even more than my APO. That's why we aim high and we look at the bigger picture. Now if we take a closer look on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we will see that we have a reaction and trend line break and everything is looking our way. We have our crossovers, 36 EMA has broken, we are following the main trend, plenty of room, and the only thing missing is a nice retracement. Again, this is the area we'll be going for, 380 pips. Don't forget incremental profit strategy. We never ever close everything that is going our way. We trail our APO according to the rules, and we can go into scalping, convert that into intraday and then into swing trade, and then leave it alone and run it forever. So as soon as we get a really good retracement on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, of course, we will be going long. Now on AUDCAD, we have a similar approach. What do I mean with that? You will see again, I have a very powerful reaction on my major support area or multiple bottoms or touches or however you want to call them. So again, a very powerful trend line according to the chart I have here has been going short for 840 plus pips. So my system, according to the combination I have, says now it is about time to start thinking about going long. More conservative people will wait the 36 EMA to break, but now if I see a very nice retracement, I could go a little bit earlier, long for 420 pips, or even in an M12 with an APO, maybe again like 40-50 pips going long. We always prefer trading on close on the profit zone. The profit zone is not there yet, but as soon as we get it, have that in mind, we will be going long 100%. And also we will be leaving our last position running forever. I want you all to remember that the last position makes a difference. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again on Monday with our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you very much.